Religious tolerance is not merely a virtue. It is a necessity for peace and harmony in our diverse world. His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama teaches us that while religions may differ in philosophy and practice, they all share the common goal of promoting human goodness and happiness. As he stated in his Nobel Peace Prize acceptance speech, "I believe all religions pursue the same goals, that of cultivating human goodness and bringing happiness to all human beings." He emphasizes that intolerance and discrimination based on religious beliefs are detrimental to societal harmony. In his messages on religious harmony, His Holiness advocates for mutual respect and understanding among different faiths, highlighting that a biased mind cannot grasp reality. Education plays a crucial role in fostering religious tolerance. By teaching our children about the values and beliefs of various religions, we cultivate empathy and reduce prejudice. His Holiness encourages interfaith dialogue and understanding as means to bridge divides and build a more compassionate world. Let us commit to teaching and practicing religious tolerance, recognizing the shared values that unite us all.